everybody, so listen carefully because today I'm not talking to you about French. I'm talking to you about English learning, okay? Because of course I've been developing resources for people to improve their French, but my other passion is to help people to improve their English. And I'm inviting you today to assess your level in English for free in less than an hour, and to have the complete picture of your written and oral level in English. Okay, I'm offering you a free assessment of your level in English, both written and oral, and of course a free needs analysis, because you have some objectives and then you want to know what are the appropriate tools to get there. Okay, so click on the link below this video and you'll have access to that. Bye!